Queens that we can have dinner in Tito Rad's. It's a Filipino restaurant, and it's been a long time that I don't see her. Also since last year, I think last year I saw her, and yeah, and I have dried fish for her. It's been in a few months. I have it in the house. I'm keeping it for my two friends. And anyway, guys, I'll see you later. We're just like, you know, hanging out, talking, and maybe going shopping later, or maybe staying at home. And she's planning to cook a Filipino food anyway for our lunch anyway, guys. So yeah. Yes, I did.
I'm down to single and five, so I should have it 500.
You get 500?
Yeah, both of them. Cash.
Believe me, I'm not gonna spend this. I'm gonna use it. I might use this for. What's out, Tom?
He's got a stop sign.
Oh, I might use this for, like, you know, $2 shirt in this a street vendor, because there is a street vendor in there. But I don't know. I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna go to Tito Rad's anyway. Yes, he's texting right now. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna read her text. We found the address. She gave me the wrong address, and the spelling is wrong also.
In 3 3/4 miles, keep left to I-278 West.
But my husband get aggravated. He's to his GPS. His GPS. You don't have to type. You just talk to her, and she doesn't even know where's the address because
He's an idiot.
he's an idiot like us. Slow down. Yeah, I'm gonna be in Queens, spending time with my friend. And my husband is working, so he's dropping me off because he's working in Queens anyway. And yeah. And what else? And it's gonna be late tonight, like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I have to wait until 1 o'clock in the morning. Or longer. 2 o'clock.
Well, I don't know. Actually, this wedding might break earlier.
And when I talked to my friend on the phone, I called her. Sounds like she's walking. I think she's getting food already. And I told her not to bother, you know, to cook Filipino food, but that's what she wants to do. Do you want to stop somewhere to get some
Stop at the sandwich place.
sandwich, please? Is that far? Huh?
I'll see how. Do it on time. It's not near where you're going, so. I'll drop you off and I'll see how much time we got. That don't matter. I just go ahead.
Sorry, babe. Oh, you don't want dried fish?
Yeah, can't wait.
Or you don't want a fish with a head?
No. Just give me a bowl of fish eyes and I'm good.
Oh my god. I'll show you guys the Queens. Oh no, this is not Queens. We're in the Bronx. guys, I'm here with my friend Remy. Look at her. Look, Remy, it is. We're having okra. Ang sa ngalan na niya Esther rin?
Pampano, isa siya.
Pampano?
Dami? Oh,
Video.
oh. Oh,
Pampano fish.
pampano.
Unsa gamit tawag na rin?
Asa? Sauce?
Oh, sauce para
So, okra.
okra. Yeah. This is our lunch.
Talia with egg.
Oh yeah. That one. And later we're going to Target. Target,
Try
right?
something. To look for something.
Just the card.
And have dinner in Payat.
Yeah.
No, no.
No, not Payag.
No.
Tito Rod's
Tito
one.
Rod's.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'll see you later. We're just listening music here guys with Remedios Calutis. Lagi dali gunit ba? Gunit ako kamot. Gunit ganit ako. Yeah. Close nila dira. Ano ta? I'm with my friend right now. There she is. I found her. Nakita na magdulaan.
Nawa lagi pa. Sige mag ikot-ikot.
Detektoryo pa.
Kamag-ingnan nga. Anso nang
Dili na mo kay Gloria nga mahilig sa
I'm with friend and Ari. Hi Ari.
Ay kailangan mo na sa Bisaya po. Ano na tuyo? Nasa Dili tawag. Right. Right. Right lagi.
Nagdali si Rimi.
Dili kay mo balik sa pagkanito. Na Justice Avenue man eh. Mo ana ta?
Straight or straight.
High Street.
Sa street abi na ko paliko ta.
Mulik mo right.
Maliko, maliko.
Parais.
Mulik
Dili mara gyapon tong balikan.
Ha?
Muliko.
Awasam dita paingon Remi.
Di mo ra mag naitisikan to ganiha uy.
Oo.
Ay mura mo diretso ta sa bali oy.
Dalian mara ba itong likuan ganiya justice, di ba?
Ay mauni siya na ara parking lot o atong gigawasan ganina oh.
Lagi oh.
Unsa asa man
Parait
ni?
ta, parait.
Right din eh sa 56.
Right.
Oh, parait ta.
Wala lagi gyapon pero di na ka muliko pa yung dito sa.
Okay, it's your turn. You next. Hi guys.
I said at the top bill I'd love to be Brandon Harris this season. I'd also love to be the Auburn quarterback.
Okay, Remy, ikaw na ikuan kay katuod naman ka.
Teams
Kataon na.
Asa naman ka Remy?
Pag naman ka to na. Wala naman sa.